Hey, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to open the Qingsong GT QS5013, a little micro helicopter. We're going to open it and fly it and see how we can do. There's the way it comes in the box. This is the blue one, by the way. Let's take it out. Hard to get it out of the box, isn't it? There we go. Here's your instructions. It's in English, luckily, and Chinese. Tell you how to charge it, how to fly it. It says 25-minute charge, you get a 6-minute flight. Here's your box. It's also your transmitter. There's your little helicopter. Small little helicopter. It's a nice one. Here's your transmitter. Speed control right there. Trim, there's your left and right. Batteries, there we go. Looks like 4 AA's. Nice looking little helicopter. Up and down, there's your speed control. On and off, has 2 channels. Left and right. There's your charging cable. It fits back in the box just like that. Fits pretty close. There you go. Just take it with you wherever you want to fly it now. Alright, let's charge it. There's your plug. There's your cable. Plugs in right there. Just like that. Turn your transmitter on. See your light flashing? It's charging. See, we got it plugged in. See the light flashing there? That light will probably go solid when it's done. It takes about 25 minutes, they say. There's the dark. You can see the light a little better now. Okay, we're done charging now. Disconnect it. Let's turn off the transmitter. Unplug it. Close the transmitter. There we are. We're ready to fly. Let's see what we can do. I'm not too good at flying these things, but we'll see what we can do. Turn on your transmitter. These are not easy to turn on, by the way. There we go. Looking for the helicopter. Now we'll turn on the helicopter switch. Right here. There it is. See it flashing? Oh, see it stop flashing and paired up right there. Now let's see what we can do here. Do a little test here. There it goes. Yep. Whoop. Let's fly it here on the floor. There we go. Yep. Uh-oh. I wind up on the side like that a lot. Let's do it again. There we go. See it fly. There we are. Up, 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 up. No. Let's do it again. There we go. Up, 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 up. Ow, on the side. Where'd it go? There it is, up on the side. I spent a lot of time on the side here. There we go, that one flew off pretty good. There we go. I don't land too good. Here we go again. Up, whoop, up. We have a lot more of these videos coming, so subscribe and like and stay with us.